Hello and welcome to the Kikusui channel. It's nice to see you again. Measurement instruments are necessary when designing and developing electronic circuits. I often used such instruments when I was a student experimenting with power circuits. During my studies, I was introduced to by what my teacher called the 3 sacred measurement instruments. So let's go over these sacred instruments and what they are used for. First off is the function generator. It is used to evaluate the performance of DUTs for mechatronic equipment, electronic circuits, and electronic components and materials. And it is also used to check the characteristics of the DUT by providing sine, pulse, and noise waveforms. Next is the digital multimeter. Digital multimeters are available in handheld and benchtop types and can be used to check how much voltage and current is flowing through a part of the electronic circuit being experimented on, as well as to measure temperature and voltage at multiple locations. Finally, we have variable DC regulated power supplies. By the way, I handle everything for Kikusui, so if you have any questions, contact details are available in the video summary. Drop us a line anytime. Power supplies are used to provide electricity to electronic circuits and components in order to drive them. Without electricity, the system cannot operate, so it is always necessary, as is a multimeter. Think of the power supply as the heart. We cannot live without blood flowing through our bodies, and the power supply provides it in the form of electricity, which circuits cannot operate without. Many manufacturers sell DC power supplies, and there may be a lot of inexpensive options on the market. But you cannot conduct good development experiments unless you use a power supply with good performance in terms of waveform quality. Measurement instruments are that important. Quality supplies mean quality testing, which is absolutely essential for serious manufacturing. In addition to the instruments I've covered, there are other essential devices like oscilloscopes and spectrum analyzers, but that's for another time. Thanks for watching. We continuously upload videos providing insights into power electronics and measurements. Please like and subscribe. We appreciate your support. See you next time.